Hi, my name's Nathan, and today I'm going to show you how to edit content in the HINDSITE workspace. So, I'm here in my content page, and I'm going to search for a video that I know I need to edit some details for. I can view the details just on the right-hand side here, but I'm going to go into View Details. Now, the edit button is this pencil here, Edit Content. I'm going to click that, and what I realize I need to do is edit a transcription. So I can edit my details here or my location of where this particular video was taken, or I can edit the transcriptions. Now, I've noticed that this is a blower house video, but the transcription incorrectly says lower house. I'm just going to go there and add blower house. So I'm going to go ahead there and save that so that now when I click on that part in the video, it takes me to that point where he talks about the blower house strainers. All right, so there are other things I can do in this view. I can now copy that to the clipboard if I want to send that link to someone. I can then favorite that so that I can access it easily later on in the content page, or I can download a QR code. And that lets me print that out, put it on site for someone to scan if they need access to this blower house strainer video. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our customer success team.